Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Guys, everyone, please check your audio and video settings, please. In yesterday's class, I was talking about different types of Java frameworks. Any newcomers are there? Please wait till the end of the session. I will share backup videos. I will share a lot of other details. Newcomers, please wait till the end of the session. I will give course details. I will share some backup videos with you. Yeah. Different types of Java frameworks. As part of that, we have discussed, we have web application frameworks, ORM frameworks, JWE frameworks or application frameworks, web service frameworks or distributed application frameworks, and we have big data frameworks. We have big data frameworks. Understanding my statement? Right. First, we have taken web application frameworks, boss. These frameworks provide abstraction on servlet JSP technologies and simplifies MVC architecture-based Java applications development. And what are the list of web application frameworks we are having? So many are there. What are the popular one? Spring Boot MVC is number 1. Spring MVC is number 2. JSF is number 3. Remaining all are knowledge. They are there only for knowledge sake. Right, guys? Using these web application frameworks, what are the applications we develop? Web applications, websites. Example, narashit.com, flipkart.com, amazon.in, and etc. Then we have got what? ORM frameworks. ORM means object relational mapping. Okay, what is the problem with the JDBC style persistence logic development? JDBC style persistence logic development needs SQL queries. SQL queries are database software dependent queries. So JDBC persistence logic is database software dependent. The JDBC persistence logic is database software dependent. Understanding my statement, guys? Super. Okay. What ORM frameworks will do, guys? Provides the abstraction on JDBC technology and simplifies objects-based database software independent persistence logic development without using any SQL queries. Development without using any SQL queries. We don't use SQL queries. We write entire persistence logic through objects. So objects-based persistence logic is always what, guys? Database software independent. Getting my point, guys? We have a lot of ORM frameworks in the market, boss. Popular ones are Hibernate, Eclipse Link, iBetis. Understanding my statement, guys? Super. Then we are having JWE frameworks, JEE are application frameworks. What's the specialty of these frameworks, guys? These frameworks provide abstraction on multiple Java JWE technologies and on small Java frameworks like Hibernate to simplify all kinds of logics development, all kinds of application development. So which fall under JWE frameworks, guys? Spring and Spring Boot. Both are what? JWE frameworks, also called as application framework. Spring Boot is always extension of Spring, boss. Yeah. Using Spring Boot or Spring, we can develop business logic, persistence logics, validation logic, presentation logics, every logic, boss. Using Spring Boot, we can develop standalone application, web application, distributed application, enterprise application, and many things. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super. These are all-rounder frameworks, boss. These are all-rounder frameworks. If you know how to use Spring and Spring Boot effectively, there is no need of using other frameworks seriously. That much popularity is there for these frameworks. So shall we get into today's discussion, my dear? Okay. File save as PNG. Yes, guys. Different types of frameworks. What is today's date, guys? 27th, 2022. Okay. So they are the backup videos. Don't worry. I'll share all the details at the end of the session for newcomers. Yeah. Next, we have to understand what is a distributed application. What is distributed application? Yeah, listen. The application whose services can be accessed from different types of remote client applications is called distributed application. Different types of remote client application. The client application can be a desktop application, can be a web application, can be a mobile application, can be a mainframes based application, can be a swiping machine, can be a IVRS application, interactive voice response system. But services can be accessed from different types of remote client application. Array, you take Paytm, Google Pay, this kind of applications, Babu. Whatever services are there in Paytm, Google Pay will be accessed only from websites, sir. Can be accessed from mobile application, can be accessed from swiping machines, can be accessed from other services, other client like IVRS system, interactive voice response system. Through phone call also we can know the status of our balance, account balance and other details or not. If at all they provide call center service. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. The application whose services can be accessed from different types of remote client applications. Remote client application is called, what is that? Distributed application. The remote client applications is called distributed application. Yeah. Example, Paytm application, GPay application. Okay, phone pay, everything, all phone pay application. Yeah. Everyone, please collect the last 3 classes backup videos, guys. The backup videos of last 3 classes, guys. Yeah, everyone, please collect all the details related to admin payment details and other things. Yeah, Paytm application, GPay application. GPay application, phone pay application. Next, BSC, Bombay Stock Exchange component. Understanding my statement? Okay. Bombay Stock Exchange component. ICC, International Cricket Council score component. The ICC score component. Understanding my statement, guys? weather report component, and etc. Okay, guys. Now listen. Now let me show how exactly it looks, guys. So this is my mission 20. And I use paintbrush so that I can write text and diagrams together. Paintbrush is like my blackboard. This is my mission 10, Bob. In this mission, I have, okay, what is that? Server application. Server application, also called as distributed application. What is that? Distributed application. Super, guys. Okay. What is that distributed application, guys? Paytm component. What component? Paytm component. Here, business methods will be there. Business methods will be there. Different business methods will be. Super, guys. Now tell me, guys, we can access services from different types of e-commerce applications or not? Services of Paytm from different types of e-commerce website like Flipkart.com, Amazon.in, come on. And we give request to Paytm. We give request to Flipkart.com, any e-commerce website from browser or not? Yeah, here is my browser window, my dear. Here is my web application. Web application is one kind of client, something like e-commerce application, e-commerce web application, right? E-commerce web application like Flipkart.com. Flipkart.com. Tell me, browser gives request to web application. Super. Okay. And web application gives request to whom, guys? E-commerce means electronic commerce. Money in online, money transactions in online is called e-commerce. Super, guys. Browser gives request to web application and web application gives request to Paytm application. Okay. Next one. We try to access Paytm services from mobile applications also sometimes. From mobile applications also sometimes. Where is this? Android mobile application. We try to access this one from Android mobile applications. Got it, guys? Super. Next, we try to use Paytm services sometimes by using what? iOS mobile application or iPhone, Rabab. iPhone mobile applications. Nice, boss. iOS mobile applications, right, guys? Yeah, sometimes we try to use Paytm service. Let us assume Paytm people are providing call center. Call center means what? Press 1. Press 1 to get the balance. Press 2. Okay. To change the password. Press 3 to transfer the funds. Like this, they are providing their IVRS, interactive voice response system. For every call center that will be there, right? Every bank application nowadays, they are giving what? IVRS application, Babu. IVRS application, interactive voice response system. Super, guys. IVRS, interactive voice response system, guys. Interactive voice response system. Voice response system. Generally, this kind of things will be there in mainframes, Rabab. These systems are developed in mainframes. You know this? Super. Now tell me now. Sometimes we try to operate Paytm application even from. Sometimes we try to operate Paytm application even from. What is that? What is that? Mainframes, IVRS application, interactive voice response system. Okay. Swiping mission, Ra Babu. Swiping missions. Swiping missions are there in what? Embedded systems. Swiping missions are developed in what? Embedded system. Mainframe is one kind of machine. Mainframe is one kind of technology, one kind of machines. Our ATM machines also based on IBM mainframes only. They need separate software, their separate architecture. Got it? Okay, guys. Are swiping machine will have a QR scanner or not? Swiping machine will be having QR scanner, right? QR scanner. So all these are same clients or different clients, boss? All these are same clients or different clients? All these are same clients or different clients? These are local clients or remote clients? Definitely remote clients, right? The application whose services can be accessed from different types of different types of remote client applications is called distributed application. What application, guys? Distributed application. All these things represents network kind of thing. Distributed application boss. Clarity is very important, boss. Super. Here is my network. Let me write this network in dark. Aisa no na, guys? Super. Now listen. Bombay Stock Exchange component, right? IBM mainframes are used by using. IBM mainframes are separate systems, separate softwares. They have their own architecture, they have their own softwares. Are you understanding? And ATM machines are nowhere related to Paytm. Are you going to operate Paytm from ATM machines? Amit Bharati, try to bring your common sense. Are you going to operate Paytm from ATM machines? Then why are you talking about ATM machines? ATM machines are developed by using IBM mainframes. IBM mainframes is a separate technology to manufacture computer. They have their own softwares. Very old guys, one or other day, they are going to be outdated. But as of now, okay, only limited projects are there running on IBM mainframes. Yes, I hope you convinced, my dear. Understood? Got the clarity about distributed application? Super, guys. In Java, we use RMI, EZB technologies to develop distributed applications. These are also called remoting applications, Ra Babu. These are also called remoting applications. Distributed applications are also called remoting applications. Okay. The problem with these applications, is both remote client applications and distributed application, nothing but server application must be there in Java environment. Must be there in Java environment. This is the biggest problem, guys. This is the biggest problem. Are you understanding my statement? It will force you to keep both in Java, boss. But is it possible? Are you understanding my statement? Is it possible to develop everything of these kind of applications in Java? See, I said my IBM mainframes, here embedded systems. Okay, here Android, Java, iOS will be there in Java. Can you give guarantee all e-commerce websites should be there in Java? It's impossible, right, boss? Okay. We can use web services programming to develop distributed applications as interoperable. What, guys? Interoperable applications. That means the server application or distributed application and the remote client applications can be there in different languages or technologies. Different languages or technologies. Are you understanding my statement? Okay, server application in Java. Client can be there in what? .NET, PHP, Python, X, Y, Z. Different clients can be there in different technologies or languages. Server can be there in different languages or technology. This is very, very interesting or not? So for that one, we should give credit to whom, guys? Web services. We should do credit to whom, guys? Web services. Understanding my statement? So web service programming is giving that flexibility for us. Web service programming is giving that flexibility for us. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. In Java environment, okay, 1 minute. We can develop web services in two ways. Okay, as SOAP-based web services. What, guys? SOAP-based web services. Okay, uses SOAP, uses protocol SOAP on the top of protocol HTTP. Uses protocol SOAP on the top of protocol HTTP. Next, guys, as RESTful web services. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Okay. A distributed application is a server application. Client applications are remote client applications are remotely available client application. Mr. Manikanta Maram, can you bring your common sense into picture? Distributed application is a server application. Remote client applications are the client application who are talking to distributed application from far distance. Okay, who are talking to distributed application from far distance. That's why they are called remote client. So, Mr. Manikanta, I think you forgot the meaning of remote. That's why you are asking this question. Remote client means far distance clients. They are there in different mission. Okay, they are not running in the same mission where server application is running. That's why they are called remote clients. Remote village. It's not virtual. Remote village. That means far distance village. Similarly, remote client. Okay, guys. As a RESTful web services. Understanding my statement? Super, guys. Uses Protocol HTTP direct. Okay, protocol HTTP directly. That's it. Uses protocol HTTP directly. I think everyone knows what is HTTP. Hypertext transfer protocol. Next, what is SOAP, guys? Simple Object Access Protocol. Simple Object Access Protocol. Listen, guys, server application is distributed application, right? Okay, all these clients are trying to access various services that are there in Paytm component, which is the server application. These are not only clients, they are remotely available clients. Can we call them as remote clients? Can we call them as remote client applications? All these are remote client applications or not? All these are remote client applications. What do you say, guys? Understanding my statement, guys? Okay, old one, Ra Babu. Old one, old or legacy. These web services are old or legacy. Understanding? Super, guys. RESTful web services are new. Okay, RESTful web services are new. Understanding my statement? Modern and new. Okay, guys. Legacy. Legacy means old. Legacy means old. Canara Bank is a legacy bank, right? Canara Bank is a legacy bank. Andhra Bank is a legacy bank. SBI is a legacy bank. Amitabh Bachchan is a legacy actor. Are you getting my point here, guys? Super. Okay. They are in utilization, but they are old style, boss. So now trend is there. Trend is there with RESTful web services. Trend is there to work with what? RESTful web services. Entire industry is dealing with what? RESTful web services. Are you understanding my statement? Okay, guys. Okay. Every protocol gives set of rules to get interaction between two software applications or two softwares or two machines. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Two machines. Machines, Ra Babu. Are you with me? Protocol is set of rules to get interaction between two software applications or two softwares or two physical computers. Okay. HTTP gives interaction between what? Client and server. Maybe browser and website. Maybe browser and website. Are you understanding my statement? Okay. In web service environment, along with HTTP, SOAP protocol will be utilized. Please don't break your head. We are going to launch each module more exclusively. Today, you try to understand what is what, because we are here to understand what is distributed application. I hope you got the point, guys. Super. Okay, now you observe. In Java, we use JAX WS, Axis, JAX WS, Axis, Apache CFX, and etc. frameworks, to develop. Are you understanding my statement? SOAP-based web services. SOAP-based web services, which is old one, guys. Okay, don't waste your time by learning SOAP-based web services. They are absolute. That means old, guys. Understanding my statement? Super. Next, in Java, we use JAX RS, Jersey, JAX RS, Jersey, REST easy. I'm trying to give overall idea. REST easy, Spring REST, and etc. frameworks to develop. What is this? RESTful web services. Try to understand what is what. Don't get into technicalities. We will launch each module separately. Understanding my statement? Okay. Whatever application that were there earlier with what? SOAP, they are slowly changed it to RESTful. If bank does not give much funds or any client does not give much fund, they might be continuing in what? SOAP-based web service. But latest is RESTful and everyone is working with what? RESTful web services. Okay, guys. Observe one thing. Here also Spring is there, na? Here also Spring is there. Are you understanding my statement? Here also Spring is there or not there? Spring REST module. Spring REST module is there to develop what? RESTful web services. Right, guys? So this is best also to develop RESTful web services. Most of the market people prefers using what? Spring REST. See, in between SOAP web services, RESTful web services, what is there? A RESTful web services, please. To develop RESTful web services, multiple options are there. But what is the best option? Spring REST is the best option. Spring REST is the best option. I hope you got the clarity, my dear. Okay, guys. When I launch Spring REST, I will explain what are the drawbacks of SOAP web services, which makes us to go for RESTful web services. This is just what is what session. We are going to launch each module more exclusively. Our target is not getting into technicalities of each kind of application, understanding different types of frameworks. It's an overview induction session. I just want to introduce what is what. When I launch Spring REST module, we will discuss so many technicalities related to web services. Why SOAP-based web service is outdated, why RESTful web service has clicked, what is the architecture of SOAP-based web service, what is the architecture of RESTful web service. Today your work is understanding what is distributed application, what are the options we have to develop the distributed applications. I hope you are going to stick with that line. Are you listening my statement, guys? Because we are going to spend nearly 25 sessions on Spring REST module. In that one, initial 3-4 sessions, we understand what is need of web services, what is architecture of SOAP-based web services, limitations of SOAP-based web services, advantages of RESTful web services. Then we come to Spring REST program. So right now your target is not to worry about technicalities. Right now your target is what? To worry about what is distributed application. Are you able to feel it or not? Yes or no? Na? Are we going good? Are we going smooth? You leave it to me. When to talk which topic, how to introduce each topic, you please leave it to me, guys. You please leave it to me. Okay, guys. Now, next favorite question, guys. What is the difference between web application and distributed application? Yes, na, boss? Okay. I think you also got the same question. Same question is eating your brain. Both are looking similar, but not same. But not at all, not at all. Okay, now have a look now. I will give one by one, please focus. Here is web application, which is also called website. Which is also called website. Understanding my statement? This is my distributed application, which is also called remoting application. Another name for distributed application is remoting application. Listen carefully. It is a client server application. Client server application where server is a software application and client is a browser. Client is a fixed browser. What browser, guys? Can we take other than browser in website, guys? Can we take other than browser as client in website? narashit.com, with whom you are requesting browser. Understanding my statement, guys? Browser, fixed browser. Next, guys, distributed application. It is a client server application where both server and client applications are software applications. Software application interacting with each other. Interacting with each other. Okay, first you observe, guys. Distributed application is a software application. Here website is the client. Is it not software application? Android mobile application. Is it not software application? iOS mobile application. Is it not software application? IVRS. Is it not software application? Swiping machine also internally contains software or not? Here client is browser. Clients are fixed. No. Yes or no? Na? Please put your brain. I am giving very non-technical explanation here. Next, guys. Okay, here only one type of client is allowed. That is browser software. Also called web client. Also called web client. Come on. This is B. Also called web client. Tell me. Here, different types of client applications are allowed. Different types of client applications are allowed. Like desktop application, web application, mobile application, next, mobile application, IVRS application, and etc. Different types of clients applications are allowed or not? Super boss. Next, C. These are understanding my statement. Mahesh Babu, browser is client to web application. Web application is client to Paytm. Now tell me, browser is client to Paytm. Bring your common sense. See, Java, .NET, all these are secondary, Babu. To attend my classes, most important prerequisite is presence of mind and common sense. Please don't lose that. This fellow is saying that browser is also involved in Paytm, NASA. Here, browser is client to web application. Web application is client to Paytm. Understanding my statement? Are you understanding? Mahesh Babu, I need reply from you. Yeah, these are thin client. Observe very carefully. Fat server application. Okay, I opened browser. I am giving request to nareshit.com. Anything about nareshit.com will be there in the browser. Browser side, any heavy logics will be there. Just the browser is there to give request to get the response, right? Everything about nareshit.com is there in server application, which is there in website, right? So that means server is having more logics or browser is having more logics. Client is having more logics or server is having more logics. Server is having more logic. So server is more logic means, can I say fat server? More logics, na? That's why fat server. Okay, client is having less logics. Can I say this is thin client? Can I say it's the thin client? I hope you are convinced. Little bit common sense. You can visualize. We can visualize. Less logics, thin. More logic, fat. If you don't like thin client, thick server. I don't have any problem. Okay, this one. These applications are fat client and fat server application. These applications are fat client and fat server application. Say something, my dear. These applications are fat client and fat server application. I want reply. See? Client side logic, server side logic. This is a software application. This is a software application. Here it is application to application communication, right? Fat means more logics. Fat means more logics. Please stay focused. 2 minutes back, I spent time. What do you mean by fat? What do you mean by thin? Again, what do you mean by fat, sir? Stay focused. Fat means more logic. Thin means less logics. So can I say distributed applications are, can I say distributed applications are fat client and fat server application? Fat client hyphen fat server applications. Super, guys. Tell me. Now listen. Here the communication is browser to software application communication. Yes, na boss. Browser gives request to nareshit.com. Nareshit.com gives response back to browser. So it's always browser to software application communication or not? Yes, guys. Here the communication is application to application communication. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Application to application communication. The people who joined today, don't worry. At the end, I will spend some time for you. I will share the videos of links of backup videos, every detail share with you. Please stay back. Please listen current topic with focus. Here the communication is application to application communication. Web application to Paytm application. Mobile application to Paytm application, right? Okay, guys. iOS application to Paytm application. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Super, boss. Okay. Here, the interaction model is request response model. Here the interaction model is request response model. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Request response model. Array, browser gives request, website gives response. Understanding my statement, guys? Browser gives request and gets the response from web application. Gets the response from web application. Okay. Gets the response from web application. For guys, now tell me, guys. Here the interaction model is here the interaction model is method calls model. What is that, guys? Method calls model. That means the client application invokes the methods of server application, okay, to access the services of the server application. Services of the server application, nothing but distributed application. Yeah, tell me, guys. Suppose do payment method is there. Somehow all these application will call that method, na boss. Will call those methods, na boss. Come on. Okay, guys. Are you understanding my statement? Convinced with this? This is method calls based interaction or not? Serious business methods are there in Paytm application. Okay, each client application try to call those methods or not. So that's why it is what? Method calls model. The here what? Request response model. Yes, guys. In Java, we use Servlet JSP technologies to develop the web applications. Yes, guys. In Java, we use RMI, EasyB technologies to develop the distributed applications. Next, G. In Java, we use struts, JSF, Spring MVC. Rajesh Bisha, I said Java. CJ fall under Java, na? Try to bring your common sense. Before you type, if you bring your common sense, you will understand what you are typing. Is the CJ belongs to Java? I'm leaving to your common sense. Okay. Spring MVC, Spring Boot MVC, Spring Boot MVC frameworks to develop the web applications. Web application. My intention of this class is very simple, Rabab. You should understand what is web application, what is distributed application without having confusion. I know that in your life, but you're always dealing without clarity. At least today I have succeeded giving clarity on what is web application, what is distributed application. Is it required session or waste of time? Come on, I want reply. Everyone should respond. Benefited with this session? Okay. In Java, we use JAX WS, Axis, Axis, Apache CFX frameworks. Still not over. So many things are there. Frameworks to develop SOAP-based web services. Okay. SOAP-based web services. Similarly, in Java, we use what is this? JAX RS, Jersey, REST Easy, Spring REST, Spring Boot REST, and etc. And etc. frameworks to develop RESTful web services. RESTful web services. Are two types of web services are there, Rabab. One is SOAP-based, one is RESTful web services. These are the frameworks to develop RESTful web services. These are the frameworks to develop what? SOAP-based web services. Clear, guys? Super. Next, G. Examples, nareshit.com, flipkart.com. Come on. Oh, flipkart.com. Flipkart.com. Right, guys. Amazon.in. Mintra.com. Mintra.com and etc. Mintra.com and etc. Got it? That is G. Examples. Paytm. UPI comments. UPI components. Okay, next. Payment gateway component. Payment gateway components. What are those? What are those? Visa, Master, okay, etc. Payment gateway components, ICC score components, IPL score component. Come on. IPL score component, ICL core component, and etc. Are you understanding my statement, guys? IPL score component. IPL is having their own server. IPL maintaining their own scoring system. IPL will use their own scoring system, right? From ClickBuzz we can get IPL score. From Dream11 we can get IPL score. From different type of application we can access IPL score or not. Are you with me, guys? Right, boss. Biswajit Samal, Flipkart is a website. Amazon is a website. Is that clear? They are basically web applications, ICC score components, and etc. Boss. Right, boss. I think you got crystal clear clarity, boss. Now I'm introducing one more terminology called what is an enterprise application? What is an enterprise application? Okay, guys. Now listen. Answer. The enterprise application can be The enterprise application can be a web application or distributed application or combination of both. What guys? Combination of both. Combination of both. Okay. Combination of both. Are you understanding my statement, guys? Enterprise application can be a web application or distributed application, combination of both. Okay, guys. Right. Flipkart.com with UPI payment. With UPI payment. Tell me, guys. Enterprise application. Okay. Having web application plus distributed application. Are you listening my statement, guys? Enterprise application plus distributed application. Super, guys. Now listen. Browser talks with Flipkart.com, right? Yeah, browser talking to Flipkart.com. What is that? Website. Flipkart.com talking to UPI payment component like Paytm, PhonePe, dot. This one talk with what? Bank application. Bank application. What is that? SBI, ICICI, and etc. Okay. Now tell me, guys. Tell me. Browser talking to Flipkart.com. This combination is web application. Yeah, when I was explaining, so Flipkart.com is distributed application. Flipkart, not Flipkart.com is a web application. Using what we communicate with Flipkart.com, boss, browser only, na? Super, na, boss. Okay, sometimes what we do, we don't use Flipkart.com, we use Flipkart mobile application. Mobile application talks to the UPI component. Yes, na, boss? So it does not mean Flipkart.com has become distributed application. As a .com, it is a website only. As a .com, it's a website, right? Sometimes instead of website, we use what? Okay. Mobile application. That time mobile application talks with the UPI component, right? Tell me. Browser talking to Flipkart.com web application. I hope you are understanding my statement, guys. Super. Yeah. Flipkart.com talking to UPI payment component. Application to application interaction, right? Yes, distributed application. And moreover, this UPI application can be used only by .com. No. Flipkart mobile application can use, Amazon.com can use, Amazon.in can use, Amazon mobile application can use. So different types of clients are allowed or not? Tell me, UPI component talking to bank application. Again, distribute application. Tell me, is the bank application is designed only for UPI component interaction? No. Sometimes we talk through net banking. Sometimes we talk to IMPS. Sometimes we talk to NFTS. Sometimes we talk to Visa application, master application, right, boss? Is it designed only for UPI component as client? No, boss. Right now we are using from UPI component. How these applications are connected, Deepak, that is what we are going to learn in the entire course. Spring REST, Spring MVC, all these things. Deepak is quite excited and asking how all these are connected, sir. They use different protocols at different levels. Today, enjoy the flow. Don't get into technicalities. Each technicality, one module. One module, 25 days, right? Are you understanding my statement? Today you feel what is what. When I launch each module, you will get technicalities. Year-to-year communication is using HTTP protocol. Year-to-year communication is HTTP protocol with some JSON messages. Year-to-year communication is HTTP protocol with JSON messages. If at all UPI component and bank applications are developed by using RESTful. Here interaction is request response model. Here interaction is method calls model. Here interaction is method calls model, right? If you ask me how they are interacting, I should ask a reverse question. Do you know Spring REST? Yeah, we learn JSON also in future. Do you know Spring REST? Do you know Spring MVC? Your answer is no. If I give technicalities also, it's a waste of time. So that's why leave it to me. At right time, I will talk technicalities. Sabar ka phal meeta hota hai. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay, guys. Neha Samarth, distributed applications will never be tested by browser. Will they always be tested by using Postman? Other tools are there. Other tools are there. Ondada, some modules will take 25 days. Few modules will take less time. Is that clear? So, can I give another example? Can I give another example? IRCTC. IRs, what is the railway ticket booking, boss? What is railway ticketing model? IRCTC, right? IRCTC. IRCTC application with debit or credit card payment. Debit or credit card payment. This is what? Enterprise application having both web application and distributed application. Having both web application and distributed application. Here is my browser, guys. Browser, what is the website, guys? www.irctc.co.in. Is it right? irctc.in. irctc.co.in. Okay. Next. There we choose payment. First it will go to PayPal kind of, PayUmoney kind of payment broker applications. What applications? Payment broker applications. Why you know? Different customer uses different cards. Some cards belongs to Visa. Some cards belongs to Master. Some cards belongs to Mastrio. Okay. IRCT don't want to bear that headache. So the moment it gets the card details, it will pass to PayPal. It's the responsibility of the PayPal to detect the correct payment gateway, and to communicate with the payment gateway application. Getting my point? Super, guys. From there, they will talk to whom? Visa, Master, Mastrio. Visa, Master, Mastrio. Here is my what? Rupee. Rupee is nowadays. Hey, Rupee is payment gateway. No, Slice is not. Slice is a broker, payment broker only. Yeah. Next one, guys. Yeah. We have a lot of options here. Here, bank applications. What application, guys? Bank application. What is this? SBI, ICICI, dot, dot, dot. Okay, guys. Understanding my statement? No, this is what payment gateway, guys. Payment gateways. Payment gateways provide worldwide infrastructure. Worldwide infrastructure. Understanding my statement? Infrastructure. Okay. To use credit cards and credit and debit cards. Okay. Nothing but plastic money, Ra Babu. You know that credit card and debit cards are called plastic money? You know that or not? Okay. Plastic money. See, guys, you have credit card given by ICICI Bank. Can you operate in any ATM? Can I operate in any ATM? Newcomers, please wait next 10-15 minutes. I will give few points for you people, few discussions for you people. I'll share backup videos. Yeah, I think our admin has kept backup videos. You can collect from the chat box. Dilip is our admin boss. Payment gateways provide worldwide infrastructure to use credit and debit cards, Rabo. Are we able to use any bank ATM card in any other ATM? Any other bank ATM? Any country? Any location? Who is providing the entire global network? These payment gateways are providing that global network or not? Yes or no, na boss? They provide worldwide infrastructure to operate your plastic money. These are called payment brokers, Bob. Payment brokers. Right, boss. Payment brokers are ATM cards are not allowed. ATM cards are specific to bank, na boss. ATM cards are specific to bank, but credit and debit cards are not specific to bank. Sometimes not specific to one country also. They can be operated worldwide, right? America cards can be used in India. We can draw rupees. We can withdraw rupees. Payment brokers acts as a bridge between e-commerce applications and payment gateways. E-commerce applications and payment gateways. Different customers operating e-commerce websites or mobile application use different cards. Okay, that's why e-commerce website never show interest of talking with the payment gateways directly, because in the market 6 to 7 payment gateways are there. Okay, time to time their details may change or may not change. Okay, new payment gateways will come or may not come. So e-commerce people never take the headache of talking to payment gateways and getting the money, because they want to focus more on business. They want to focus more on selling products, not all this stuff, not all this stuff. Understanding my statement, guys? ATM cards are different, debit cards are different. Initially, we used to have ATM cards. Now, debit cards have come, which also be treated as ATM cards, right? Okay. That's why whenever credit or debit card comes to any e-commerce application, they hand over to payment broker. Hey, payment broker, I am giving card details. You get the payment for me. I will give some commission to you. You get the payment for me. Understanding my statement? Super, guys. Tell me, guys, payment brokers or bridge between payment brokers are bridge between what is that? E-commerce applications and payment gateways. Okay. So how this happens? And I have logged into IRCTC website. I booked 10 tickets by selecting the seats. Okay, it has asked me mode of payment. I have chosen credit card. Okay, those credit card, one form has come. I filled up all the details: card number, holder name, expiry date, CVV number, and number of things. Right, boss? Those details are passed to PayPal. PayPal realized based on the card number, it has realized this card belongs to Visa. So PayPal forwards the details to Visa people. Visa application realizes, this card I have given to ICICI Bank customer. So it will forward to ICICI Bank application. Now ICICI Bank application checks whether card blocked or not blocked. Card limit is there or not there. Any restrictions are there on this card or not there. Super. Okay, after all authentication, checking your OTPs and password or number of things, it will sanction that amount to payment gateway. Payment gateway sanction that amount to payment broker. Payment broker gives that amount to IRCTC website. And the customer get the happy messages. All these things happen in the fraction of seconds. Though all are not there in the same city or same country. IRCTC website, mostly in Delhi, PayPal application somewhere in the New York City, Visa application somewhere in what, Dubai City, banking application in Mumbai City. So, but all these applications will talk with each other, Babu, and will complete the transaction within the seconds. So don't you think it is making world as global village? It is making world as global village, boss. Okay. Payment broker is a separate software application. Please, Babu. After listening entire drama, don't write confirmation statements. I said it is a separate layer. Still people ask, sir, payment broker is a separate application. Huh? Where is your brain and observation skills, Babu? PayPal, separate application. Pay you money, separate application. Open your brain to accept the unknown things. I request everyone, since I am giving real-time use cases based subject discussion, sometime your brain won't be ready to accept them. First, keep your brain open to accept the new challenges, new things. What you know is not Java. What I am presenting is the real Java. Some people not ready to accept the new terminologies, new challenges. After seeing also, they want double, triple confirmation. Is it right, sir? Is it right, sir? Yes, right. That's why I have written here. Yes, boss. Right, boss. What is this? This is web application. Right, boss? This to this. Distributed application. Application to application, na boss. Distributed application. Okay. I give real-time scenarios based in detailed industry standard subject to bear me from your side also that chill of learning should be there, boss. Distributed application. Okay. You check yourself. These many days you heard this web application and distributed application. Today you got cluster clear clarity, na? Distributed application. Sir, customer is paying, IRCT's website is getting money. Sir, what is the benefit for all these people, sir? Commissions will come, my dear. Suppose Your transaction amount is 10,000. IRCTC website will not get total 10,000. Will not get total 10,000. 2% commission will be deducted from 10,000. Remaining amount will come to IRCTC website. 0.5% to bank people. They have given permission to bank account to link na boss. Bank account to link, right? Understanding my statement? Okay. 1% to payment gateway. If they are not there, if these people are not there, if these people are not there, these percentages are fixed, almost fixed. If these people are not there, worldwide infrastructure of credit cards and debit cards is not there. That's why these people take 1%. Payment broker, they also take, simplifying the job of e-commerce websites. These people will take another 0.5%. Total 2%. That's why if you go to small shops, whenever you say I will pay through credit card or debit card, they say 2% extra because they don't get the 2%. They don't get the 2% from payment broker. But if you go to big shopping malls, guys, if you are paying through cash, ask for 2% discount. Because in big shopping malls, they include 2% in the MRP. They include the 2% in the MRP. They include the 2% in the MRP itself. Are you understanding my statement? PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm are not payment brokers. They are not payment brokers. They are UPI payments. They directly sanction the funds. They directly sanction the funds. Okay, guys. Everyone got the clarity, guys? Super. So from my side, session is over. Today, I just introduced what is distribute application, what is enterprise application. Still, yeah, we learn JSON. We learn JSON. Okay. Website which provides downloads come under which category? Websites only. The website who provides software downloads, songs downloads, website only, boss. Okay. If two people, A and B, are broked, book tickets, seat number 45, who will get the ticket? Tummu Vijay, they will go for concurrency and a number of things, ra babu. Once you block the ticket, until payment is done, that will be blocked to you. If payment is failed, after 4 or 5 minutes, the ticket will be released. Lot of concurrency, multi-threading concepts will be used. Okay, next. Yeah. How UPA people earn? UPA people earn from other people, na boss. In UPA, there is an option of electrical bills payment, other payments, right? From their providers, from those vendors, they will earn money, not from the customer. Okay. Ketan, we can learn payment gateways quite easy, but we should have some permissions. Okay. Payment broker is bridge between payment gateway and e-commerce website. Payment gateways provide worldwide infrastructure to operate credit cards and debit card. Genji Yashwant, 2 minutes back, I talked an entire story, right? Okay. Sir, while performing transaction, these distributed applications are working other than transactions also. ICC score component where money is required. BSC stock component where money is required. Weather report component where money is required. Yeah, tomorrow we have session. Nowadays, PhonePe, Paytm asking for service charges while doing recharge. Neha Samant, that's what I'm saying. They don't charge for small payment. They collect money from vendors like electricity board, water payment, gas payment, postpaid recharge, prepaid recharge. From vendors, they charge money. Okay, guys. All right. Yes, this course starts with Spring Basics. This course starts with Spring Basics. Okay. Right, guys? RMI, EABs are the outdated technologies to develop the distributed applications. Understanding my statement, guys? Arvind, UPA applications will be interacting with the bank application because they are in communication with bank application. Hemant, web services are the frameworks, okay, to develop the interoperable distributed application. Interoperable means client and server applications can be there in two different languages. Understanding my statement, guys? How credit card swiping machine transaction happens. Credit card swiping internally contains software application that will read the card details, amount given by you, and will call the method of distributed application. React.js, AngularJS is not part of this course. Duration of this course will be 130 sessions to 140 sessions. 130 sessions to 140 sessions. Right, boss. Yeah, listen, guys, newcomers. Initial few classes will be treated as a demo classes, boss. Course title: Spring Basics, Spring Boot, and Spring REST and Microservices. This is the course title. Prerequisite: Core Java, OOPS, exception handling, little bit of JDBC is required. You can do advanced Java and this course parallelly. Got it? Duration: 120 to 140 session in single slot. 80 to 90 session if you attend 2 slots per day. 7:30 p.m. all initial topics. 7 a.m. once I start microservices, Spring REST and microservices, I will call for morning people. Understanding my statement? Next, guys, timing 7:30 p.m. to 8:50 or 9 p.m. Weekly 6 or 7 session. Materials will be given initially through Facebook group, later through Google Classroom. Classroom applications will be shared through GitHub account. Materials and reference documents will be given through Google Classroom. Course fee is 8K or 8,000. And nearly 20 plus modules we are going to learn here. Spring Core, JDBC, AOP, transaction management, mail, basics, MVC, data, JPA, MongoDB, JDBC, security, OAuth, Okta, JWT, microservices using Spring Cloud. Multiple things we are going to learn. Yes, MongoDB is also part of this course. All these documents are there. Videos also I shared with you people. Course curriculum also I have uploaded to Facebook group, right? Okay. Full stack students can attend this. You need to pay extra payment. What is that payment? Please contact the admin. What is that payment? Please contact the admin. MongoDB is part of this course. Mini projects on Spring Boot and microservices. Yes. How many demo sessions? Mostly another 2-3 classes will be there as demo sessions. If you want to develop mini project with payment option, for that also do you need to have permission from banks and other ways? Yeah, definitely we need to have permissions from a number of departments. It's a payment, Babu. I'm planning to show gap as experience from whom I can collect documents. Akshay, please mail me. I will send the details. Okay, this course is more than sufficient to show 3 to 4 years gap as experience. After advanced Java, we can start Spring or we can do parallelly. You can do advanced Java Spring courses parallelly. Okay, guys. Hari Neil, this is purely for experienced developer. Okay, this is purely for experienced developer. Okay, guys. With this knowledge, you can show 3 to 4 years gap as experience. And once you got that knowledge, you can happily become architect. Okay, Hibernate is not part of this course, but Hibernate basics will be covered before teaching Spring Data JPA. Before teaching Spring Data JPA. Rakesh Kumar, we have dedicated placement cell. We conduct one screening test. Once you clear that, our Naresh IT will take care of your placement. Our Naresh IT will take care of your placement. Okay, guys. I have 5 years experience. I just need Spring Boot and microservice. Will this course is useful? Very much useful. Can I become hands-on experience after complete this course? Yes, definitely. You can become Hari Neil. Hemant K. I have attended other Java Stack courses separately from Naresh IT. Now, can I get any discount in the fees, sir? Hemant K. Please contact admin for payment issues. Is fee payable in parts? Rakesh, that payment discussion you should do with your admin. Ramakrishna Yadav, after having DevOps knowledge, if you learn this, if you do work on this, you will get more packages, more promotions. Okay, hands-on experience means, okay, knowledge as required for real-time presentation. Knowledge as required to develop the real-time projects. In this course, will you provide RESTful web service example by using JAX-RS REST-easy APIs? Ravi, we are purely going to deal with Spring REST. You want JAX-RS REST-easy? Please join separate web service course. Here we are purely going to learn Spring REST. Because I will teach those things that are required for microservices. So Spring REST knowledge is required for microservices. That's why. Okay. Rakesh Kumar Kuna, if you learn this course as a fresher, your profile will become very strong. You will become hot cake fresher in the market. Thank you, guys. We'll meet tomorrow and we will discuss more on this. Are we going to learn Spring and Spring Boot? We are going to learn Spring and Spring Boot both. Right. Thank you. Admin contact number. Admin just to share details. Dilip, can you share your details one more time? Dilip, can you share your details one more time? Admin Dilip. Admin Ravishankar. Can you share your details one more time? Yeah, again, he shared the details. Please check it out. Thank you. I hope you benefited with this session. If I miss anyone's query, please mail me. Please mail me. Okay, guys. Valmiki, you have got good knowledge of UI technologies. And if you learn Java, if you learn Java backend technologies, your profile become very strong and you can become Java full stack developer. My mail ID, my mail, you are looking for my details? Yes, these are my details. Thanks. Please collect these details. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. Okay. Yeah, demo classes, video recordings will provide as a backup sessions. Right. Dasra vacation will be there. Okay, I will give clarity on Friday. Definitely Dasra vacation will be there for few days. Thank you, guys. Have a nice